Hello, my name is Anthony Freeman, Principal Product Manager here at Claravine. At Claravine, we care greatly about your data standards. We care about you being able to do your jobs quickly and efficiently. In order to do that, we've rolled out two new features, SmartCorrect and the AI agent. SmartCorrect allows you to quickly fix errored rows in the hundreds or thousands based off of how your template is formatted. When you do so, it will correct any obvious changes as well as learn from what you correct manually. So that way, over time, your changes will be fixed in a greater and greater quantity. The other feature that we've rolled out is the AI agent. The AI agent allows you to quickly generate hundreds or thousands of new rows without worrying about hallucinations. It follows all your template rules and regulations, so you can enter in a prompt, hit generate, and it will build many variations of rows. So that way you can generate a bunch of rows quickly and efficiently. Once you've done that, you can go and make any changes you want to help ensure that what you build is what you need. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.